Please fasten your seatbelt, bring your seat to the upright position, and ensure your tray table is stowed because we're entering the cloud. Or rather, the AWS Cloud. That's right. Welcome to the Zero to Mastery AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner course. You're here because you want to work in one of the fastest growing, highest paying, and most in-demand tech jobs in the world, cloud engineer. If you want to work in the cloud, the first step you need to take is passing the AWS Cloud Practitioner Certification exam. And you've come to the right place. This all-in-one course has been specifically designed to efficiently teach you exactly what you need to prepare for and pass the certification exam right now. There's no fluff here, other than the clouds, of course. We want to make sure you succeed, which means you have to practice. We've got you covered here too. This course is crammed full of quizzes, plus a full practice exam, so you can put your new knowledge and skills to the test before taking the exam. Practice makes perfect. This course is completely beginner-friendly, so regardless of whether you've flown before, maybe that's enough cloud puns for me. But regardless, whether you're already an established developer or have no technical background, this course will teach you everything you need to know to get certified. The course starts by covering fundamental cloud concepts before teaching you hands-on with the dozens of AWS cloud technologies and services that you need to know, including deployment, connectivity, security, infrastructure, cloud architecture, developer tools, containers, application integration, analytics, and all those acronyms like IAM, EC2, S3, and so much more. We'll even teach you study strategies and how to register for the exam. By the end of this course, you'll be able to ace the certification and launch your cloud career. And the best part? You're going to learn it all step by step from an industry expert that's received numerous AWS certifications. Me. My name is Amber Israelson, and I've been a software developer and technical trainer for almost 2 decades, teaching students all around the world about AWS and all the amazing things cloud technologies can do. And I'm so excited to help you launch your cloud career. Trust me, you need to learn AWS, like right now. We'll see you inside.